Jack Mallers is joining us now. He is the CEO on Strike. Talk more about the future of crypto, of Bitcoin. First of all, Jack, it's good to see you again. And Bitcoin Miami, not the same without the big splashy announcement this year.
Yo, Kelly, happy inflated transitory Thursday. I'm happy to be back. I missed you.
Well, listen, you guys were the ones responsible for this big splashy announcement a year ago. And now we're in the kind of growing pains phase where you heard Gotti, down in El Salvador. He was 0 for 2 trying to use Strike.
Yeah, well, Gotti, brother, I think it was misused a little bit. No harm, no foul. Here's what I mean, Kelly, the thesis behind Strike and behind Bitcoin as a superior payments network is the Lightning Network. It's actually the Lightning Network that offers instant free global cash finality. And to my knowledge, it unfortunately wasn't used. Strike was on the issuing side of his payments. And unfortunately, on the merchant side, they did not support the Lightning Network. And so it kind of be the equivalent of I used my Visa card, but I accidentally used ACH bank transfers and it took days. And it's not the same thing. Bitcoin payments traditionally are slow and expensive, and that's what he experienced. And that was what was around 10 years ago. But I think that the growing pains are just it's an open payment standard, and you're allowing free open market competition to compete to build great experiences on top of it. And the merchants, unfortunately, in his experience, weren't on the Lightning Network.
He's probably right that this will end up benefiting El Salvador, maybe not in the way that they anticipated, which is to say that it is making it an international tourist hub. They're getting, capital inflows that way from people who want to go experience what it's like to be part of kind of the Bitcoin, the Lightning Network, whatever you want to call it. But it sounds like it hasn't really changed the day-to-day much for El Salvadorians themselves. Maybe it's too early to tell.
Well, I mean, listen, Kelly, it's an opt-in. It's almost as if you get a free gift that lives within a distributed network. It's open for anyone to use. You're like, ooh, what's in the box? It's the hardest asset that's ever been invented in human history. You know it's monetary policy. You know it's issuance. You know it has a capped supply. And then it's a superior monetary network that offers instant free global cash finality. So remitting payments, commerce payments, it's unbelievable. It's inclusive to everyone involved. It's inherently innovative because it's open for anyone to build on. And so I think it's a fantastic thing for everyone to use, especially developing markets. And yeah, unfortunately, getting people on board and onto it, I think the government is in the middle of updating the Chivo wallet. And there's nothing a company like Strike could do about that. But time is the ultimate truth teller. And I really would not bet against this, Kelly, especially with Shopify and other big people coming on. I think the signal is pretty clear.
All right. Speaking of truth telling, you are a partner with Twitter. You guys help with their tipping service. Are there implications for you if Elon Musk takes over the company? And as you follow that saga loosely, which I have to imagine to some extent you do you have a point of view on what you'd like to see happen here?
Of course I do, Kelly. You know me. I have lots of points of view. No, I hope this comment doesn't go over people's heads, Kelly, but the old payment networks, these payments are debt promises. And that's why banks have such an advantage in the old card processing systems, is because they're traditionally required to be on the paying side and the merchant side. Now, all of a sudden, we have an open payment network that does not need the concept of debt to settle. The messaging system is the settlement system. It's all in one because we have, for the first time ever, a digital bearer instrument that could settle at the speed of light. Now, a lot of word salad. What does that mean? That means anybody in the world could build payment experiences on top of it. And so if I'm Elon Musk, I have a global audience and a global network in Twitter that already inherently lives on the internet. What's to stop me from Twitter users checking out at Starbucks? What's to stop me from users remitting money through Twitter? He has an opportunity to build payment experiences, which traditionally Twitter can't, because they cannot get into the business of debt and all the regulatory and fixed costs. Chase has that business on lock, and now that is not a requirement anymore. That is why this is such a big deal. So I think with the right leadership, Twitter could be a payments business and have a lot of advantages over an incumbent like Chase.
Very interesting. Jack, always bring us a different point of view. Great to check in with you. Thanks for your time.
Likewise. See you, Kelly.
Jack Mallers is the CEO of Strike.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.